In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch your Instagram account from professional back to personal. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap Add menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then just search for Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it, and towards the bottom of this list you can easily find the Switch Account type. If we tap on it, we'll be able to switch our account to personal account in this way. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched back to personal. As you can see, now professional dashboard is no longer showing here, which means that we have successfully switched our account from professional to personal.